Hey teachers, I'm going to show you how you can grab usernames for your students using the Clipboard Grab feature of GradeTransferer. So just for a little more context, lots of teachers use fun learning websites like Kahoot, Quizzes, Prodigy, Socrative, the list goes on and on and on to make learning more engaging and fun for their students. And on these websites, students can sometimes choose a custom username to represent themselves. And let's say that you can export that data to a spreadsheet and you want to take that important learning information and get it in your gradebook, but you need it to fill as their regular names that are in your gradebook, not something like Puppy Love 13 or Peanut Butter Pickle exclamation point. So I have a spreadsheet here of student usernames and their scores. We're going to highlight the information that we want, names on the left, scores on the right, copy that to our clipboard, and then click on the clipboard icon in the extension. And you will see how the information has been grabbed. It filters out symbols, except for the dash, symbols, and numbers. So b-ball equals life is b-ball life. Happy duck, #1 is just happy duck. So that's just something to note there. Anyway, we're going to take these student usernames that are in our briefcase. You can see them here in your briefcase. We're going to take them and we're going to set up rules using the name discrepancy fixer. So for that, go to advanced settings, name discrepancy fixer, and click import from briefcase. If this message occurs, it's just because you've been changing tabs and GradeTransferer needs to remember what's in the briefcase. So just click on the extension and then go back, click import from briefcase again, and voila. It has been filled in as all of the usernames that were grabbed for each student. On the filling side, we want to put the actual names of each of my students. And this can be a little tedious at first, but all you have to do is do this once, and then it's going to save for you, and you can just grab usernames and fill over and over and over again from your favorite platforms to your gradebook. So when you add those filling names, it's important to note, don't add a comma or anything like that. That information has been filtered out on purpose, just the names. Click add, and all of your students will now be saved below as saved name discrepancies. And you can remove and adjust as needed if mistakes were made using the X or reset all names. All right, let's go back. Let's grab again, copy, clipboard, and voila, my student usernames like Rainbow Heart 2013 is now grabbed as the student's correct name. I can just go to my gradebook, press fill, and it should all transfer. That's it for now. Happy transferring.